Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. For today's video I'm showing you how to create this Valentine's Day makeup look, and I absolutely love the way that this look turns out. Now Valentine's Day for me is all about the reds and the pinks, so I decided I was going to do pink pretty much everywhere on my face. I have pinks on the eyes, also a little bit of red as well. I have pinks on the cheeks and pinks on the lips. So I love the way that this turned out, and I feel like this is the perfect look for Valentine's Day. I also used a brand new lip set for my lips, which I absolutely love. They smell amazing. This look is one of my favourites that I've created. I have done past Valentine's Day looks, and this one by far is the favourite one that I've ever made, and I just think it looks so good. It looks really put together, and this is perfect if you're having date night on Valentine's Day, or if you're eating in, or if you're spending it on your own and you just want to have a nice look. Please do not mind the mess that's behind me. I've changed the filming setup in here, so hopefully this will all be sorted soon, and hopefully I'll get some stuff on the walls. But please do not mind how it is. As you can see, I have a Primark bag right there, and I am going to just film a Primark haul, which will be up very, very soon for you guys, so you can check that out. So if you're new to my channel and you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit the subscribe button down below, and also make sure to hit the bell icon just so you're notified every time I upload a new video. And if you want to see how I created this Valentine's Day makeup look, then just keep watching. So the first thing that I'm going to do is prime my skin, and I recently got back into primers ever since I did a mini declutter, which you'll see very, very soon on my channel. So today I'm using the Smashbox Photofinish primer water, and then I'm using the Professional by Benefit, and I haven't used this in such a long time. I completely forgot I had it, in all honesty, and when I did my declutter I looked at it and I was like, I remember using this and I used to really, really like it. So I decided to go ahead and give it another go because I know that it's really good. So while all the primers are setting into my skin, I'm going to go ahead and do my eyebrows, and I always do my eyebrows first before I put a full coverage foundation on. And I'm using my MAC eyebrow styler in the shade Stylized, and this is a really good shade for me because it's a really nice brown, and I don't really like my eyebrows to look too red. Even though I do have red hair, I try and not let them look too red. So I'm just going to use this to follow the line of my eyebrow. Then I'm taking my Revolution Pro Brow Pomade, and this is in the shade Soft Brown. I really like this. I think the shade is really good as well, and it stays on all day. I don't know if it's waterproof, but it is a really, really good formula. So I'm just going to follow the line that I put here with the pencil. And you'll notice that I don't go too far in with the pomade, just because I like it to be a little bit darker on the outside, then I use a pencil on the inside. And for an eyeshadow base, I always use my concealer, and this is the e.l.f. 16 Hour Camo Concealer in the shade Medium Peach. I love this concealer. I've talked about it so much on my channel because it's so affordable. It's just amazing, full coverage. It works really great as a concealer. Also as an eyeshadow base, it is just the perfect concealer that I've ever tried, and I'm not going to talk any more about it because I talk about it in every single video. And to set all the concealer, I'm using my COTY Airspun powder. I know that I've used this in pretty much all of my makeup tutorials, but I love it. It's tried, true, tested. It works amazingly. And for my eyeshadow, I want a pinky red theme, so I'm taking this Smashbox eyeshadow palette, which is in the shade Ablaze. I love this because you can create so many different looks with it. It's really, really good, very pigmented, and it's one of my favourites that I use. So I'm just going to take this shade right here. I'm going to use this as the transition shade. I'm also going to use it to deepen up the look as well. And I'm just going to put this in the crease. And then I'm going to take this shade as well and just put this in the crease just to deepen up the look a little bit more. And I'm going into the Morphe 35F palette, and I'm going to take this shade right here. And this shade I'm going to put in the outer third and work it a little bit more in. Then I'm taking this shade right here, and I'm going to put this all over the lid. Then I'm taking the same dark shade again and just popping this a little bit more in, just to blend it a little bit more. Then I'm just taking a little bit on my finger and I'm going to create a little bit of an ombre effect by just going in a little bit more, and as you can see it just blends it in a little bit more. Then I just take a baby wipe and I'm just cleaning up the edges. Then I'm going in with my eyeliners and they're both from NYX. So I have the matte liquid liner from NYX and then I have the black slide on pencil, and I'm using the slide on pencil to tight line my waterline. Then I'm taking a matte liquid one and I'm going to create a flick on the eye. And then for mascara, I'm using one of my favourites, which is the L'Oreal Bambi Eyes Mascara. I did a first impression on this, which I'll link down below for you, but I absolutely love this mascara. I had to buy another one because I actually think it's probably my favourite one at the moment. And for lashes, I'm using my favourite Ardell Demi Wispies, and I was going to use a different eyelash from Eyeliner, but I can only find one of the eyelashes and I'm really annoyed because I felt like it was the perfect lash for this. So I'm just going to go ahead and use some of my favourites, and I'm going to come back and we're going to do the rest of the face. So I'm back, I've done all my eyelashes and the eyes are now complete. So I'm going to go ahead and do the rest of my face. So for foundation, I'm using the Marc Jacobs Remarcable foundation, which is one of my favourite foundations that I've ever tried. This is in the shade 29 Bisque Golden. I love this foundation, it lasts all day and it just looks so nice and smooth on the skin. So it is a little bit more thicker than the foundations that I use at the moment, but it is amazing and I highly recommend it because it just makes your skin look so beautiful and it lasts all day as well. Then I'm taking my e.l.f. concealer again and I'm going to use this to conceal and highlight. And to bronze and contour, I'm using my Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer, which I absolutely love. And for blush, I'm taking my Nars Blush in the shade Orgasm. Now, I hate saying that name because, I don't know, I just find it really strange. So I'm just going to use this to put on the apples of my cheeks. And then I'm just going to work it up a little bit as well. And before I highlight, I'm going to dust off all of this powder that we put where all of the concealer was. Then I'm going in with this shade right here and I'm going to put this on the lower lash line. Then I'm finishing off my brows using my MAC Pro Longwear brow set, and I love this stuff. This is what I use when I go to work and I just want to make my eyebrows pop a little bit more, just keep them nice and tamed. And then for highlighter, I'm using the shade that's in my Smashbox palette, and this is in the shade Turn It On Pearl. And this you can also buy in some of the other palettes as well. You can buy it in a set of 3 and it is just incredible. And for lips, I'm taking my Cab Cosmetics Lippie set, which is the Want a Kiss. I'm going to use the matte shade in here, then I'm also going to use one of the glosses as well. So for lip liner, I'm taking this one, which is the Rimmel 1000 Kisses Stay On Lip Pencil in the shade Indian Pink. So I'm going to fill in my lips using the matte shade, and this is a beautiful pink, and this was perfect for me to use for a Valentine's Day lip set. And this smells exactly like chocolate. I'm taking this gloss, which is gloss number 2, and this one's a rose gold out of the collection, and it just looks absolutely stunning. And this is a finished makeup look. I hope that you enjoyed this video, and make sure that you give it a very big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in my next video, guys. Bye!